Good morning, students. Welcome back. Yesterday we were talking about, or we were learning about the parts of speech. What we were studying about? We were studying about 8 parts of speech, right? I told you which are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, correct, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Do you remember? And from that, yesterday we studied about noun and pronoun. We studied about what? Noun and pronoun. Do you remember? I think you remember it, and that is what we are going to study now. Yesterday we studied about noun. Noun means what? Naming words. Noun means what? Naming words. Pronoun means what? Pronouns are the words which are used instead of nouns. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. They are what? They are pronouns, and these pronouns are used instead of noun. These pronouns are used what? Instead of noun. Okay. So today we are going to learn about the third part of speech, or the third part of speech is adjective. Which is third part of speech which we are going to study is adjective. If you want me to explain you, if you want me to explain verb also I can explain you. But then these two we are going to study today: verb and adjective. Now third one is adjective. Which is third one? Adjective. Now what are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that describe or tells us something more about a noun. Adjectives are words that describes us or tells us something more about noun. It describes what the noun stands for. What the noun stands for, or it tells the quality of noun. Okay. Now examples are given here: good, green, three, many, beautiful. Understood or not? If I give you example, Saisha is beautiful girl. Okay. If I say Saisha is a beautiful girl, so how is Saisha? Saisha is beautiful. So beautiful word is what? Beautiful word is adjective. It tells more about noun. Adjectives are the words, or it describes or tells more about noun. Such words are known as adjectives. Such words are known as adjective. If I will say, if there is a sentence, if we will say Vivek is a good boy, I will take one example. Vivek is a good boy. So how is Vivek now? How is Vivek? If we will ask you quality of Vivek, so what is quality of Vivek? Vivek is good. So good is a adjective. What is good? Good is adjective. समजतंय का? नामाबद्दल माहिती देणाऱ्या शब्दाला adjective म्हणतात. Okay. The words which tells more about noun, that word is known as adjective. Now if I'll give you another example, if I'll say, for example, Ritika is a beautiful girl. If I will give you example, Ritika is a beautiful girl. When I will give you example of Ritika, how is Ritika? Ritika is beautiful. Then if I will ask you, how is Ritika? Then your answer will be what? Ma'am, beautiful. How does Ritika looks? Ritika is a pretty girl. If I, instead of beautiful, if I say pretty girl, so pretty word will also suit for a girl. Pretty means what? Chan. Okay. Then if I say Ritika is a beautiful girl, so then beautiful word tells more about Ritika. Girl is how? Girl is beautiful. Which girl is beautiful? Ritika is beautiful. So Ritika is noun, beautiful is adjective, And girl is what? Girl is what? Girl is also noun. Are you understanding or not? Girl is also noun. It is which? Proper noun. That I will study, I will teach you for the proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun. There are also kinds of nouns that we will study afterwards. But then if we will talk about this sentence, Ritika is a beautiful girl, then you should able to tell me answer. Ma'am, beautiful is a word which tells more about noun, Ritika. So beautiful is adjective. So beautiful is what? Adjective. Have you understood third parts of speech? Have you understood third part? First one was noun. After noun, pronoun. After pronoun we studied just now is adjective. What we studied? We studied about adjective. Now next part of speech we are going to study is verb. Next parts of speech which we are going to study is verb. Now what is verb? Verb. It tells us what a person or thing is or does. What action a person is doing or what action a thing has been person does of a thing. If I say ma'am catches pen in her hand. So what is my action? माझी action कोणती आहे? Catch. So catching is what? Verb. And verbs are called action words. What verbs are called? They are called action words. Action words. There are many action words. Correct? You know it. Sit, run, jump, smile, cry, write, sing, read. These all words are action words. हे शब्द आपल्याला काय सांगतात? आपण काय ॲक्शन करतोय? रीड. रीड मीन्स व्हॉट? ॲक्शन. करेक्ट or not? Stand. Now I am standing in front of you. Stand. Standing is what? My action. So these all words. Sit, jump, run, walk, sleep. These all words are action words. And action words means what? Verb. Action words means what? Verb. Now I will give you example of action words. For example, if I will give you students example, I am studying in the room. Where I am studying? I am studying in the room. If such type of sentence is given to you, okay, then what process is going on? What action I am doing? I am studying. So which word is verb? Studying is a verb. Studying is what? Studying is a verb. If I will give you another sentence, students are reading in the class. Or if I will say, if I will take the example of one boy, if I will say Ayush is reading a book. Now who is reading a book? Ayush is reading a book. Now Ayush is what? Ayush is noun. Correct? Reading is what? Reading is action. What Ayush is doing. So which action Ayush is doing? Ayush is doing action of reading. So reading is what? Reading is verb. What is reading? Verb. Have you understood today 2 parts of speech? Today we have completed 4 total. How many are over? 4. Noun, pronoun, adjective and verb. We have completed 4. How many we have completed? We have completed 4 parts of speech. Again I am telling you, noun. Noun means what? Naming words. Pronouns means what? The words which are used instead of noun, they are known as pronouns. In pronouns, which words are used? I, we, you, he, she, it, they. If I will say Ajay is a good boy, then instead of Ajay, which word you will use here? He is a good boy. Right? Then good. He is a good boy. Good is what? Good is adjective. Understood? And if I want to add verb in that sentence, then Ajay is good and hard-working boy. So hard-working is what? Hard-working will be verb in that sentence. Correct or not? Some action is going on, or does hard work in the class, or does study in the class. So studying is a action which is done in the sentence by Ajay. So in this way we have studied 4 parts of speech. How many parts of speeches are over? 4. Next part of speech which we are going to study is preposition. After preposition we are going to study conjunction. After conjunction we are going to study interjection. Okay, now today what you have to do, we have completed 4, so we are going to do homework of 4 parts of speech. Now here it is given, one paragraph is given in your book. Read the following paragraph. Identify the parts of speech of colored words and write them down in their respective rows given below. Now what is given? In blue color some words are given. In blue color what is given? Words are given in blue color. And you have to read that word. For example here, Sant Eknath. Now Sant Eknath is what? Name of a person. So Sant Eknath is what? Noun. Was born in Paitan. Paitan is what? Paitan is also name of a place. So Paitan is what? It is noun. So what you have to do? You have to turn your page behind and here it is given. You have to write down. You have to see here and write down answers here. So what will come in nouns? Sant Eknath will come in noun. You have to put comma, then you have to write down Paitan also in noun. After that is, his family was known for its devotion and learning. So you have to find out now, family is which word, devotion is which word, learning is which word. Now learning is action, something learning is going on, yes or no? So then it will go in which part? It will go in verb. Are you understanding? In this way, whichever words are given in the paragraph, whichever words, now you have to find out only what? You have to find out noun, you have to find out pronoun, you have to find out adjective, and you have to find out verb. You don't have to find out preposition, conjunctions and interjections. Adverb also you don't have to find. 4 are remaining, 4 are left, 4 are over. Only 4 you have to find out. Which 4 you have to find out? You have to find out noun, verbs, adjectives and pronouns. Adverbs, preposition, conjunctions and interjections that I will explain you in tomorrow's period. Have you understood today's homework? Homework समझला है क्या? You have to read paragraph, and in paragraph wherever you are getting nouns. Now in that paragraph wherever you are getting names, name of a person, name of a thing, name of a place. Now Janardhan Swami is name of a place. Devgiri is name of a place. More. Only these many are Janardhan Swami, Sant Eknath, Devgiri and Paitan. Only these are what? Nouns in this nouns in this paragraph. So you have to find out nouns, you have to find out pronouns, you have to find out adjectives and you have to find out verbs. Understood? This is your homework for today. Okay, please complete your homework, and remaining 4 parts of speech, all together 4 we will study tomorrow. Okay, and then we will complete our first lesson of the parts of speech. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.